This 20-pack of Parmida 4-foot LED T8 tubes delivers strong, even illumination that easily replaces traditional fluorescent lamps in garages, offices, and workshops. By wiring them to bypass the ballast, you remove a common failure point and cut wasted energy, which makes these tubes a smart long-term upgrade. Each tube draws only 18 watts, while producing a light output comparable to a typical fluorescent 40-watt lamp. So you get bright lighting with noticeably lower power consumption. The design works with both single-ended and dual-ended wiring and lets you keep most existing tombstones, which makes installation straightforward for anyone comfortable with basic electrical work. The cool daylight color around 6,000 Kelvin and the frosted lens combine to reduce glare while keeping detail visibility high over workbenches and task areas. Safety certifications from recognized testing agencies and compliance with hazardous substance restrictions add confidence that these tubes are built to modern electrical and environmental standards.